Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Ariel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a shop with me at Michael's for Thanksgiving and Halloween decor. And if you guys missed my last video, I was shopping in Joann's for fall and Halloween decor, and just like in that video, I'm going to share with you guys some ways that you may be able to DIY some of the items you see in the video. So I don't want to do too much talking in this video, but like I mentioned before in the intro, I am going to pop in and out of this video and just show you guys some things that I think that you may be able to recreate on a Dollar Tree budget if you are a crafter like I am. And here's one of those items. The Dollar Tree has wooden pumpkins just like this. With some paint and some stencils, you could recreate it. The same thing with this wooden crate. The Dollar Tree sells wooden crates, and they also have milk glasses similar to this. And there's a hack online where you can create a stained glass effect with Mod Podge and food coloring. This porch sign may also be easy to recreate with stencils or Cricut and some scrap wood. They had a lot of ribbon to choose from. I noticed a lot of crafters on YouTube use ribbon for a lot of their projects. I love that floral ribbon in the middle right there next to the blue plaid, and I also love the floral ribbon on the top. I was loving the floral section, but they do sell similar fall florals in the Dollar Tree. But if you wanted to create a nice bouquet like they did in these buckets, the IKEA sells buckets like those for a very affordable price, and you could use Dollar Tree fall florals to create the look. Large floral arrangements like that in a basket or bucket make really nice porch decor. And I mentioned the Dollar Tree's wooden pumpkins earlier. If you cut off the stem part of a few of them and then glued them together, you probably could make a porch sign similar to the one on the right. You probably would have to use the popsicle method on the back. If you're a crafter, you know what I mean. On this channel, I do DIY home decor and home improvement projects on a budget. That includes Dollar Tree hauls, shop with me videos, and thrift flips. If you're interested in that sort of content, then it would mean so much to me if you guys would hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. I love the gold leaves that are sprinkled into this arrangement. You could recreate this using Dollar Tree leaf picks and some gold spray paint or gold acrylic paint if you don't have the spray paint. I created a gold leaf garland in an earlier video, and I'll have that linked in the cards and below. I feel like the texture on this sign could also be recreated with some spray on wall texture. And for the print that's on it, you can use a Cricut or some stencils. Also, maybe that napkin trick that a lot of people are using for the leaf design. And how easy would it be to recreate those patterned terracotta pots with a little bit of white paint or paint marker? I've seen people make similar pumpkins with the wire jute cord from the Dollar Tree and some of their wooden stems, but it looks like they've spiced this one up a bit by sprinkling in some of the berry garland that you saw in the previous clip. I personally don't have a Cricut, but these customized bread boxes and vases look like something that you probably could recreate with a Cricut. I kind of regret not picking up some of these 99-cent florals. I think these printed boxes are adorable, but I also think they could be recreated with any wooden box, printed napkins and Mod Podge, contact paper, or wrapping paper even. You could even wrap them in fabric and use it to store craft supplies. I've also seen a lot of people recreate floral arrangements just like this using the Dollar Tree's foam pumpkins. Terracotta seems to be a really popular color for fall this year, and you can get the high-end look of that terracotta pot with the gold stripe with just some painter's tape and gold acrylic paint, or maybe some gold washi tape. And how genius is this cute and simple plant stand with wooden dowels and a cheap cutting board from either the thrift store or the dollar store? You could probably recreate something like this. I think this pumpkin basket is cute enough to decorate with all year round, and I like that the top comes off so you can use the inside for storage. They didn't have too much Halloween decor at the time that I went, but I did want to share what I did see there. You could probably recreate a bat garland like this by cutting out some bat shapes into some felt and gluing them onto some jute wire and then painting it all black. And you could probably just Google a picture of a bat to use as a template. And you may be able to Mod Podge a Google image onto a painted block of wood to recreate this decor. This galvanized metal jack-o'-lantern could also be recreated if you just use one of the plastic jack-o'-lantern trick-or-treat bins and either spray paint or hand paint to recreate the galvanized metal look, and maybe put in a LED light instead of a real candle. If you like this video, please leave me a like. It really helps my channel. It helps for other people to be able to see the video. And leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite item was from this shop with me that you saw today. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys have really special Halloween or Thanksgiving traditions. What is your favorite Halloween or Thanksgiving tradition? Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys have a really wonderful day.